Welcome back, first timers. But if you're new here, I'm David. This is Terry.
We're the first timers. We're trying things for the first time, and you can too.
In today's episode, we are at Area 15 in Las Vegas. It's an interactive art, psychedelic, trippy...
We have no idea.
Adventure dome. It's an art experience put on by Mio Wolf, and we're out here to experience Omega Mart, which we don't even know how to explain at this point. It's a giant supermarket with weird things to uncover, experiences to have.
Kind of like an escape room, kind of like an art installation. We'll let you know at the end of it what it really is. We have no idea.
So prepare for this, because we are not. We'll see you inside.
Have you ever been to a Meow Wolf?
No.
No. So what we are is an immersive, interactive, psychedelic art exhibit. So you have two options really. You can walk around and create your own adventure inside, or you guys can buy a booth card for just $3. You just need one. Become employees and try to solve a storyline through some gameplay that will take about 2 hours to solve. The choice is yours. You could also go grocery shopping, shop when you're ready to go.
So we got the optional $3 boot card, and it upgrades you from customer to employee, and you have to go to the boot scanny things to take on additional tasks.
Welcome to your new life, Omega Mart. At Dramport, we reward exceptional employees with exceptional perks, which is why we've given you Mega Access Card. Be sure to boot your Omega Access Card for access to on-the-job training, confidential company data, access to restricted equipment. Complete your employee training with an Omega attitude. One day, we might see you living the dream. Send it manager.
The plot thickens. We're 2 hours in, and I don't think we're any closer to solving this mystery.
No. I got no clue what's going on.
Well, sadly, we didn't solve it. We didn't run out of time. You can stay here as long as you want, but we've been at it for about 3 hours and didn't figure it out. So it's time for us to go shopping in the grocery store. The entire experience was completely unhinged. We had no idea which way was up most of the time. But like we said, about the 2-hour mark, we felt like we were on the right track, but we just ran out of time to do any more. But
It's very intense.
Would highly, highly, highly recommend, if you're going to do it, don't just go to walk around and look at the exhibits. Take the time and try and solve the mystery. It's $3 more to get the card, like we mentioned earlier, but
It's so worth it.
it is an intricate, multi-layer, intergalactic story that transcends space and time.
Literally.
You definitely need to do it. We're not going to give anything away, but if you go, become an employee, take the training, and try and solve this thing. Because we couldn't, and if anybody has done this and solved it, put a comment in below, because we want to go back and we want to take the time and really solve it. In Omega Mart, the price kind of fluctuates based on the day, but for children it was $49, for military it was also $49, and then for everybody else it was $54. So it is a little bit on the spendy side, but I wouldn't say come in and rush through it. If you're gonna do it, pay the $3 extra, get the card, try and solve the mystery. They say about 1/4 of the people who start the mystery journey finish it. We were not part of that 1 out of 4. So we're gonna hold on to our card in case we come back in the future to pick up where we left off. But I'll tell you, even if you don't do the mystery, it's still a super cool interactive art / psychedelic adventure, and you can, you gotta see it for yourself.
Yeah, they're really, there's not words to describe what I'm looking at right now.
Omega Mart is just one portion of Area 15. Now you don't have to pay to get to Area 15, but you do have to pay for Omega Mart. And we'll put the website and the price in the description below. Now Area 15 is free to get in. They have, looks like, bars, restaurants, shops, other interactive experiences that you can walk around. There's an arcade. This place is huge. Thanks again for following along in this episode, and join us next time when we do something else new for the first time.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. First timers.
High five.